Hey, this is Mike from Style Flip. Today we want to give a quick preview of the Pioneer REV7, available now at styleflip.com. Customizable skins for the REV7. Log on to our site, upload your own image, create your own look, design your skin. You can add the text layer back on with the click of the button. After you're done, we will manufacture and ship you an easy to install, removable, custom skin for the Pioneer REV7. We support over 1,500 products, from laptops, music equipment, like turntables, controllers, and so much more. Check us out at styleflip.com. This is the Pioneer REV7. Customizable skins available now.